show you.
Show us a little more.
Show us
So,
more.
what I was going to show you that I really like, this.
What is
What's
it?
that?
Some kind of volcano. It looks like a volcano. Here's a space rover.
What book is it? Show us that I'm videoing it. Show me what the books are.
Far, far away, galaxies, black holes, rockets. Here, no, not exploring space. Far, far away, black holes. So I was gonna show you black holes, and I showed you black holes, and then the nebula. It's so awesome, nebula. Look,
What's nebula?
nebula. It's also a name in Super Hero Squad.
Well, why don't you read it and tell me what it is? If you're not quite sure, let's read it.
Stars are formed, last for billions of years. When they lose energy, they die. When some stars die, they explode, and all the leftover stardust is called a nebula. New stars are born inside a nebula too. Gases and dust pull together to form young stars. And look, so what happens is this is gravity pulling these two parts of the nebula together to make a new star. Same with this. This is getting pulled together to make a new star right
That's
here.
pretty impressive.
And then what you could also do, galaxies. This looks like a nebula. I don't know what it is, a star. So galaxies, this looks like it has a lot of stars in it, right?
Mhm.
This all is going to become a nebula. When these stars die, it's going to become one big nebula.
Pretty crazy.
Because it makes many nebulas pulling gravity. And then all this becomes a nebula. And I thought this was really cool also because it looks really pretty. And this,
That is
the
really
universe. This is the whole universe. This is our universe.
Wow.
And you know what's outside our universe?
What?
This specific black hole isn't in our universe.
How do we know that? It must be in our universe.
Oh yeah, it is in our universe. You know why? You know where it is?
Where?
You can actually find it. One galaxy, it's right here.
Uh-huh. Okay. All right, say goodbye to the
Another
camera.
galaxy.
Say goodbye to
Say
the
goodbye.
camera and good night.
Say goodnight to the camera.
Bye. One more time.
Good night.
Come on. I think the
Holden,
chocolate
8
milk-
years old next weekend. 8 years old.
Come on.
Next
The
weekend.
chocolate milk